Hi, and welcome back. I think tonight we're going to work on the bottom part of the pillar of the Bronco. Be kind of cramped in here. You see the Camaro's behind me. Plan on getting that out this weekend, but I think tonight we're trying to work down to where I plan on cutting it at and getting all that sanded down and seeing what I can use and what I can't. And if we have time, I may try to start painting that top portion and see how far we get. I think my best option is to try to get to down here and see if I can save this part and just be like just a straight cut across here. I don't want it to mess with any kind of body lines or anything like that. So my plan is to sand all this down to here, then cut it straight across and weld on a new piece down here. Alright, this is how she looks right now. The only thing I tried to do here was get my wire brush, as you saw, and I couldn't really get in that area. So I'm probably gonna try to get a screwdriver, maybe scrape out right here by the seam. And then we're gonna spray this seam right here. And all this starting probably this whole thing all the way down to here, because my cut is gonna be right here. So I'm gonna have to make a cut, then the cut up and over to get rid of that, and then make that piece just fit right in there. But I'm gonna go ahead and spray rust fix on it, try to get that stopped. This side too. But on this side, I don't think I need any rust fix. Maybe a little bit right through here. And I might spray these, a little dab of it. I'll put my bolts back in there before I do that. But get the rust fix on it tonight, and the next time we'll put 2-in-1 primer on it. That's about as good as I could get. Anyways, let's put some rust fix on it. Really hope this stuff works. We got that sprayed on there now. We have to wait until tomorrow, see what it looks like. If it looks good, then we'll put our bolts back in here, these 3 spots, and then we'll shoot primer on it. Front side's not so bad. I guess mud got kicked up underneath the fender and stuck to the front side of that. But anyways, that's what she looks like. Don't have good lighting on this side. Alright, I think that'll do it for me tonight. I think next few days we'll paint the door pillar. I think I'm going to break down and order the floor and the door pillar so I can cut the bottom part off and replace it. That way maybe next month we can put the inner and outer rocker on, do the patch panels and the kick panels, and get this whole side kind of squared away and buttoned up so we can flip it and do the same exact thing on the other side. At least that's my plan. But anyways, thanks for watching, and thank you to my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. Like I said before, it keeps me motivated to come out here and do a little bit every day on this thing. So hopefully one day it'll be done and I can drive it again. But this is going to be a, I guess, extreme budget build, as I'm going to buy parts when I have enough money to. And that doesn't come along very often, so it may be a long drawn out process, but there's plenty to do in the meantime until we have to order parts. There's always something to do. And if we run out of stuff to do on that, I got a Camaro here that needs stuff done. I got suspension parts for the Healy that needs a ton of work. The 65 GMC short wide that could use a lot of work too, and a 50 Chevrolet 3100 that we could also pull in here. But for the time being, I think this is gonna keep us busy for a while. Anyways, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next.